So a lot of people think chickens are really hard, really complicated, but they're actually very easy, and it's a blast collecting eggs every day, right? Do you like collecting eggs?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Because you feel the warmness.
Oh yeah, they are warm sometimes if you get them quick enough. Let's go see how many eggs we got today. Let's go. Can you count them for me, bud? Whoa. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
That's not 8. Count them again. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, you counted one twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are there any more?
Yes.
That's a tiny little thing. That's one of our bantam chickens. So we got 7 eggs today. How many chickens do we have?
7.
We got 7 chickens, we got 7 eggs. That might be a first. We usually get about 5 or 6.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So chickens aren't super hard. You just gotta have the right setup. You need a chicken coop. You need a run area. Some people like a mobile chicken coop that you can move around the yard. We didn't want to do that, mainly because we're in a neighborhood. I'm trying to film. And you need a water system and a food system, and we like to give them scratch.
It's still going.
It's actually better not to wash the eggs because they have a natural coating on them that helps keep them a little longer. It increases their shelf life. So if you wash them, you actually wash that coating off and they won't last as long. So we don't wash them until we're ready to eat them. Rachel, what do you like about having chickens?
I like to pick them up and pet them. Oh, Mother Goose. She's a horse.
What are their names? Do you remember?
The black one's Mother Goose. The white one's Periwinkle. Then the other tiny little one, that's Tinkerbell. And then the 2 gray ones are twins, Tick and Tack, like a Tic Tac. And then that one, the last one, with like the brown belly, that's Martha. Or Mary. Oh, and over here's Tiana.
And here we have our feed, chicken scratch, cat food for the cat, and diatomaceous earth. And we have some pine shavings back under there. I sectioned this off for storage, which has worked pretty well. And then this is where you collect the eggs.
Daddy, get Belle in the video. She's in every video.
And of course, here's Belle, our famous white cat.
You're a movie star, Belle.
Yeah, we love getting eggs every day. It's a blast. So, yeah.
These are eggs for my chickens.
One at a time. So can you count them for me? How many eggs do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
We got 4, but we also got 1 earlier, right?
Yeah.
So we got 5 so far today.
Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.